This video will demonstrate how to collect point data using two different GPS data collection apps, Avenza Maps and the EMLID Flow app. Avenza Maps is a free mapping application for iPhone and Android platforms, with the option to upgrade to a paid version with more features. The EMLID Flow app comes free with EMLID GPS hardware and also has the option to upgrade to a more feature-rich version. Most GPS hardware come with similar companion applications that allow users to manage the GPS receiver and perform GPS data collection. First, we'll demonstrate using the Avenza Maps app. Open the Avenza app on your mobile device. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. This displays the layers list. Tap the plus button again to add a new layer and tap Create Layer to create a new layer. Give the new layer a name and hit OK. Next, tap the three dots to the right of the new layer and tap Link to Maps and the checkbox next to Base Map. Then tap the check mark at the right-hand corner of the screen. Next, tap the My Maps button, then tap Open Base Map. The map will load and display your position. Tap the Layers button at the bottom right corner of the map window. Then tap the three dots to the right of the manholes layer and click Set as Active. Data collected will now be stored in this layer. Set your GPS on the point to be mapped and level the tripod if using one. Tap the place marker icon at the bottom right of the map window. This displays the setting for the new point. Enter a name for this point as well as a photo or description of the feature you're mapping. Tap the check mark in the top right corner to save the point. Move on to the next point, set your GPS, and tap the Place Mark button to add another point. Enter the attributes for the point, and tap the check mark to save. When you're done collecting points, tap the Layers icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap the three dots to the right of the layer name and tap Export. Here you can change the file name to export to, as well as the format. Tap the orange Export button at the bottom right of the screen. Once the export is complete, you'll be shown several ways to share this data depending on your device type, including saving to a Google Drive, emailing, or several other ways. Next, we'll demonstrate using the EMLID Flow app to collect point data. Tap the EMLID Flow app icon to open the app. EMLID GPS receivers connected to the device will appear in the list. Tap the receiver name, and you'll see you can change receiver settings or tap Status to see the GPS status. Tap the survey icon at the bottom center of the screen. This displays mapping projects. Tap the plus symbol at the top right corner of the screen to create a new project, and set a project name and author, and optionally set coordinate system and datum settings. Tap Save to save the new project. The new project opens. Set your GPS on your point as shown before, and tap the plus symbol at the bottom center of the screen to add a new point. Tapping the gear icon above the Measure button will display capture settings like quality control and GPS point averaging. Enter a name and description for the point you're collecting. And tap Measure to start averaging GPS points and to collect a location. Keep your GPS still while GPS points are being captured. A progress bar will show the number of points averaged. You can zoom into the map and tap on the new point to see location details and attributes about the point you've collected. Tap Projects at the top left of the screen and tap the three dots to the right of this survey project and tap Export. Select your desired format. I chose shapefile here. Similar to Avenza, a variety of options are shown to share your exported files. Thanks for watching.